car. So you just got to make sure. That's why I keep a four-way, so I can always have the right lug wrench for my lug nuts. Usually your car come with one, but if you get a four-way, you can. It's basically universal. They got 19s, 17s, 23s, and 21. I remember my custom lug nuts was 21. Bro, this is worse. But yep, y'all want to see this last one? I'll bring y'all in for the last one. I don't even know if y'all got every other video. Yeah, so just tighten that bad boy. Tighten that bad boy. Tighten that. Not P. Diddy bad boy, the lug nut bad boy. All right? And then drop the car. Oh shit, shit about to drop on the tire. Drop the car. Oh my God, this tire fucking flat too. I don't think it's flat though. I think it just don't got no air in it. I got it. Bro, I'm gonna be so pissed off if I switch tires for this shit to be fucking flat. Hold on. I ain't gonna lie, it's working. I told y'all motherfuckers, mechanic job. And I keep a motherfucking equipment with me. That shit going up. I see it going up. I see it going up. But yeah, let me move back because that's like, it's like I said, Chow. I wasn't gonna be a dickhead and start talking shit before I noticed that actually wasn't all the way flat. But you know, I got the thing up. I got the thing of pushing up. You know, we about to hit the road soon. This your boy, ain't that Ja? I'm old. You know, one thing Ja hate is motherfucking cleanup, bruh. I'm finna leave the jack here, I ain't gonna lie. I know I might need this shit. No, my damn car. Hold on.
Man, I step off in the club with my mug on me. Outfit on shop with my chain on me. With a lot up in my pocket, so I'm going to Boogie Lean. Put your hand up in the air, that shit ain't hard in the scene. I Boogie Lean.
I'm tired done. I'm gonna put my finger. In my pocket and I'm like Boogie Lean. Wow. I can bring this to the tire shop. I can get new tire. Ah! Fuck! So I start playing around.